now as we head into the upcoming overnight session and the upcoming week, there is still the potential for buyers to step back in. This liquidation or profit taking that we saw today, could just be exactly that. Like it could just be profit taking, right? Um, it doesn't mean that the market now has to reverse. I don't necessarily think that this is a false breakdown that now has to result in a test of the balance area low. It's obviously possible, but I think in order for that scenario to come into play, we would need to see the market breaking below today's low. I think if we take out today's low, and especially if we take out the low from the third, 25.5, I think if we take these two lows out, then we're probably going to revisit the balance area low. But if we hold above today's low, then there would still be potential for the market to consolidate up here and eventually maybe still try to break out. There was a big high volume node shift that happened today up into 64.69. So 64.69 is now a key HVN as we head into Sunday and Monday. And if Sunday night we notice that market's holding above the 69 high volume node, then that would be in itself a sign of stability. And like I said, we could still slowly, but we can still make our way back up, and we may still try to break out yet again. So as we go into Sunday, our short-term bias will likely be either neutral, or it may even remain neutral bullish. And on the downside, we can use the 52 to 62 area as a intraday bull bear zone. So as long as we're holding above it, there's still that potential for higher prices. And if we break below it, then we're probably seeing a more impactful shift in the bias, and that can then push the market down into 1828, where buyers may still be active. And if this goes, then we're probably going to revisit the balance area low. But as long as this is holding, as long as the low from today's holding, especially if the 69 HVN holds, then we may just consolidate. We may just end up filling in this low volume area on Sunday and Monday and still eventually try to make our way back up. So that's still a viable scenario that may take place. So we don't want to go bearish just yet. We can go neutral, and with the idea that we're going to use this 50 to 60 or 52 to 62 area as the bull bear zone. But I don't think we can go bearish on the market just yet. So that's my perspective. Let me see if there are any questions that haven't already been covered in our discussion, and then we will wrap up.